Yo, shout out to Reshoevn8r for sending me their signature shoe care bundle. It comes with everything you need to make sure your shoes are clean. If you want a discount on this bundle or any of their other products, use the link in the description or use my discount code below. All right, so today I'm gonna clean my Jordan 1 Mochas. I wore them out this weekend so you can see, looks like some drinks or something, dirt. So we're gonna get these cleaned up for you. All right, now that we've got our laces removed and our shoe tree inserted, we're gonna get to work on the shoe. Yeah, so this shoe is almost completely dry now, and you can definitely tell a difference. It's definitely worth the money. Like I said, if you want a discount, use the link in the description below or use my discount code that's in the description below.